Hey everyone, this will be just a very quick unboxing here of the Garmin Venu 2 Plus. I know it's been out for a little while. I think it came out in 2022, something like that. But I bought this one. It was sealed up. I cut off the tape already. Bought it off of Offer Up for only 275 bucks. Again, brand new from a guy who just never opened it up. Never used it, or never even opened it up. So I spent 275 bucks on this, which is an awesome deal. These are supposed to be $450. So I've been wanting one of these Venus for a while. I just didn't want to spend 450 bucks on them. They're very nice watches, but they are still missing some features that other Garmins have, like the Phoenix series that I also have. But I didn't really want to spend 450, but 275, this thing is awesome. So we get our charger there. We get some paperwork in here as well. Yes, and you can open it up from the bottom there. But you get some paperwork in there. Nothing too exciting in that box. Of course, what we all care about is going to be this guy. I wanted the Venu 2 Plus because it uses 20mm bands, which a lot of watches use. I believe the Samsungs use them as well, including the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini that I have as well. That off, let's stick on the box there. So this is a very nice looking Garmin watch. Of course, it looks very similar to all of the other Venus that came before it. One thing I wish they would have done though is, hopefully you guys can see this, but the little bit of texture they have going around here, and on the Venu 2 is more in the front of it. Wish they would have kept that. But it's a very nice looking watch. Nice band, and I already have some other 20mm bands that will fit this just fine. That'll be perfect. So again, just a very quick unboxing here of the Venu 2 Plus, just showing what you guys get with it. We get with this $450 watch. It's quite nice looking. Again, just an unboxing, nothing else. I'm gonna do a quick look here. Again, bought this brand new from a guy. Sealed in the box for 275 bucks. I couldn't pass it up. Of course, you have the quick release bands here. They are 20mm. See that there. You have your charger there. You have, of course, your heart rate and whatnot here. Your SpO2, all that good stuff. Yeah, there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Again, just a very quick unboxing. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.